Hello guys, today I am going to show you and review this digital wall clock. It is an Amazon product and you will find the link in the description box. I am going to unbox this for you right now and it's going to be looking like that when you receive it. So you have the bubble wrap and also the clock comes with a plastic that you have to remove. So it's an electric USB plug and you have the cable. It's very thin, so it's good to put it around your walls. Also, you can wrap it around behind the clock to hide it. You have a remote and also you have the mounting measure that you can put those little needle nails. Very easy to install. So it's gonna look like that when you receive it, and now I'm gonna show you how to set the clock manually and then using the remote. Well guys, this is how it looks when you plug the digital wall clock. So here you have your place to put the cable and then you can wrap it and then hang it. But now let's set this up. So you have a set, plus, minus, and the here I think this is the alarm. So I'm going to set this. So let me just remember the buttons. Set, plus. Okay, set. You can set for 12 or 24 hours. But I'm going to do that's the year 2024. Okay, so month, temperature, humidity, 12 hours. Here is 9. Now with the remote, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set this up. So you will have your set button, right? So you click, you have 12 hours or 24. Let's pick the 12 hours. So it's set, and then 12. Oh yeah, we are 12 p.m. 05 2024, but it's not January, it's February 8, and you keep clicking the set button to move to the next, and that's your temperature and the humidity of your house. And now for the brightness is this one. So let's do it. You have level 10 and then you minus. Look, if it's bothering you, you can leave it like that. How easy and convenient is to have a digital wall clock with a remote that you don't even have to remove your clock from the wall. If you have a desk like mine, you can plug it here and then look, show the cable all the way up to the wall. Amazing. Highly recommended, looks very modern, and is so easy to set up. Thanks for watching. Bye.